Tank Tactics 2026. This video explores how modern tanks are not just machines of brute force anymore but highly intelligent, tech-driven units redefining combat effectiveness in 2026. From advanced AI integration to stealth movement, hybrid armor systems, and network-centric warfare capabilities, the battlefield has entered a new era. In 2026, tanks are no longer standalone machines, they operate as part of a cohesive digital battlefield. One of the biggest evolutions is the use of AI-assisted targeting and navigation systems. Modern tanks are now equipped with 360-degree sensors, real-time terrain analysis, and predictive movement algorithms. These systems help tank crews anticipate threats, adapt to enemy strategies instantly, and make more accurate firing decisions even under chaotic combat conditions. This drastically reduces reaction time, increases survivability, and enhances mission success. Another highlight in 2026 tank tactics is the hybrid powertrain system. With a focus on energy efficiency and low thermal signatures, many next-generation tanks now use a combination of electric propulsion and traditional fuel. This enables near-silent movement for stealth operations, especially in urban or forested terrain. Reduced noise and heat make these tanks harder to detect by infrared or acoustic sensors, giving them a major edge in reconnaissance and ambush scenarios. Armor technology has also stepped into the future. Tanks in 2026 feature adaptive reactive armor which changes its structure depending on the nature of the incoming threat. From high-velocity kinetic rounds to shaped charges and drone attacks, this smart armor can harden, deflect, or absorb impact in a fraction of a second. In addition to this, active protection systems intercept enemy projectiles mid-air using mini-missiles or electromagnetic pulses before they even reach the tank's body. Communication and coordination are central in today's tank warfare. Network-centric operations allow tanks to share real-time data with infantry units, UAVs, command centers, and even satellites. This level of integration means tanks are no longer limited by what their crew can see. Instead, they operate with a complete digital view of the battlefield, enabling faster maneuvers, synchronized strikes, and highly coordinated defense. One of the most striking features in modern tank tactics is the use of drone integration. Many tanks now carry mini-surveillance drones that can be launched directly from their turrets. These drones scout terrain, detect mines or IEDs, and identify enemy positions